are the outside of the cortex. And you see some secondary follicles. Here's one that's kind of broken up. There's the oocyte nucleus and cytoplasm. There's the corona radiata. These are cells of the follicle collectivated granulosa cells, the secondary follicle. There's another, one or two are secondary follicle with a larger antrum. Again, there's the oocyte, is not the egg cell, and the radiata, there's the antrum, and again, the granulosa cells of the follicle. There's something else. This structure right here. What is this? What's it called? What happens after ovulation? The egg's released, and most of the follicle remains behind. Develops into this structure under the influence of hormones. What is this structure? This is the corpus luteum, literally Latin for yellow body. It's kind of a yellowish cast to it. What's its function? What does it do? It's a major source of female sex hormones. As the follicles are developing, they're producing sex hormones, particularly estrogens. That helps to build up the female body in preparation for possible pregnancy. Endometrium, the lining uterus, builds up. Mammary glands start to develop, preparation for lactation. So this secretes estrogens as a developing follicle, but also a lot of progesterone. Progesterone sort of puts the finishing touches on the female body, readying it for pregnancy. And the progesterone is what maintains the endometrium, uterine lining. There are two hormones that maintain this structure. What are they? What's the first one that maintains this corpus luteum? It's gonadotropin, luteinizing hormone, LH. But if there's no pregnancy, because the high levels of estrogen and progesterone have been developed basically by the, or given off by the developing follicles, this basically inhibits the release of the gonadotropins, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizer. So luteinizing hormone falls off. As a result, this degenerates, and the hormones produced by this are reduced, including the progesterone. So as progesterone levels fall off, the endometrium degenerates and sloughs off the menstrual flow. So if there's no pregnancy, after about a week and a half or 10 days, this degenerates. And with it then, the endometrium or uterine lining, and you get the menstrual flow soon after that. If there is pregnancy, the second hormone that maintains this corpus luteum comes into play. Now what is that hormone? That's a hormone produced by cells around the developing embryo that also maintain the corpus luteum. HCG, human, chorionic gonadotropin. What cells produce it? In the developing embryo. It's actually cells around the embryo. What do they call it? What cells produce HCG? The trophoblast cells. Okay, those are the cells on the outside of the blastocyst. Inside is your developing embryo, the so-called inner cell mass, which eventually flattens out an embryonic disc, and then you get differentiation, and you go through gastrulation. Okay? So two hormones maintain this. Initially, LH, luteinizing hormone, and secondly, with pregnancy, HCG. That's also a hormone you test for in a pregnancy test. It's only produced by cells around the embryo, so women don't normally produce it, men obviously don't produce it, only a pregnant woman, because it's not the woman's body's producing it, it's cells around the embryo, trophoblast cells. Any questions?